Hi friends, today I'd like to teach you an easy to play, really fun folk song with just 5 chords. This is called If You Want a Song by the Grammy winning Okee Dokee Brothers. This song has an echo chorus, so I'm going to sing a line, then you're going to echo it, and when you lead the song, you can do the same for your audience. It all begins with a G major chord. Let's strum through the song slowly so we can learn the melody, and then later we'll play the entire song faster. The first chord change will be from G to D to G. When it's time for you to sing the echo, I'll point to you. Let's start with a nice easy 4 to the bar strum. 1, a 2, a 1. If you want a song, if you want a song, you gotta sing, you gotta sing. If you want a song, if you want a song, you gotta sing, you gotta sing. Pretty straightforward, right? The next section has 4 chords. It's a common chord progression I'm sure you've heard in other songs. We're going to play 4 beats of G, 1, 2, 3, 4 beats of B7, 4 beats of E minor, 4 beats of C. Now you can play your B7 chord either as a bar chord, changing to E minor that way, or you can play G to this version of B7. And in this case, you just drop that same shape down to E minor and then to C. This is the section that goes like this. 2, 3. 'Cause once you find your song, then the world can sing along. And then you want a song, you want a song, you gotta sing, you gotta sing. And that is about 90% of the song. There's an easy to play bridge section halfway through the song, and it's just changing from C to G to D back to G. When we get to that section, I'm sure you'll follow along. Please follow along with the written notation right here on the screen. Let's play the song a little faster. You'll notice that I'm going to be adding some things to the chords. Those suspensions. And that's pretty straightforward. You just drop the pinky right here, take it off. You can also open up that string. Just simple ways of decorating the chord. You can do that with a D major as well, dropping the pinky and then lifting up, getting that open string. Same kind of sound that we used in the recent lesson for Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. You can also drop triplets into this. You gotta sing. And I also like to make this section crisp. And that's just done by strumming with my thumb and shutting the sound off with this part of the palm. Let's jam the entire song. Click the links down below to support on Patreon. You'll get access to the song sheet for not only this lesson, but a huge library of bonus content. For example, if you're interested in learning this chord progression with different chord voicings, there's a lot of goodies waiting for you as a member of Ukulele Zen. Hope you'll click the like button, etc., etc., etc. Are you ready to jam? Thanks for being here. This is a great song to bring to your song circles. Everybody can join in. La. That's our first note. If you want a song, you gotta sing, you gotta sing. You want a song, you gotta sing. 'Cause once you find your song, then the world can sing along. If you want a song, you gotta sing. If you want change, you gotta change, you gotta change. If you want change, change. 'Cause once you change yourself, then you can change something else. You want change, you gotta change the bridge. If not now, then when? Not later, not then. If not us, then who? It's gotta be me and you. Verse 3, if you want love, give it away, give it away. If you want love, give it away. And the best place to start is right there in your little heart. If you want love, give it away. You want a song, you gotta sing. If you want a song, oh, you gotta sing. Here we go. And once you find your song, then the world can sing along. You want a song, you gotta sing. Tag it. You want a song, you gotta sing. If you want a song, you wanna sing. Thanks for joining in with this spontaneous jam. It's a great song for sharing with your ukulele community. Appreciate you spending some time with me. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Be sure to click the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in another tutorial soon. Happy jamming.